It's 2024, and if you're hoping to start a successful faceless YouTube channel, it is worth knowing that the niche you pick matters a lot, and I mean in many ways. I know you would have watched many videos from experts telling you to go with the most profitable niches, the easiest niches, or even viral niches, but here's the truth. Picking the best YouTube niche for you as a creator who wants to really make money on YouTube without showing your face comes down to a few important things. And in this video, I'll be revealing it all to you. In fact, these are what found me easy niches that get millions of views and have made me thousands of dollars in a very short period of time. You see, these three things go hand in hand, and if you miss any of them, you might find yourself in the wrong niche. And if you watch till the end, I'll be showing you two of the best faceless YouTube niches for 2024. So let's get started. While looking to pick a niche for a faceless channel, the first thing you want to consider is interest. You want to ask yourself, does this niche feel interesting to me? You see, regardless of the niche for your channel, if you don't have interest in the topics you're creating videos around, chances are you'll get burned out quickly and eventually give up on the channel, especially at the start where views are little. Well, I know this because in the past I have created multiple faceless channels which, to be honest, I didn't even like the topics, and in the end I got demotivated and quit them all. So before you even start creating videos, the first thing you should ask yourself is, will I enjoy creating content around this niche? And if the answer is no, it's better to find something else that interests you. But if yes, then let's move to the second factor to consider, which is experience. Having experience in your niche will help you understand what your audience really wants and help you find a way to always deliver the best content to them. Sometimes you might be interested in a niche but have no idea how to make or edit the videos. Take, for example, you might be interested in the business documentary niche and want to create videos like Magnate Media because the niche is proven to have close to the highest CPM on YouTube. But can you edit like Magnate Media, or do you have cutting-edge editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects to bring your ideas to life in a way that will meet market demand? If your answer is no, unless you have some money to spend on script writing and editing, you might want to find a niche that you're interested in and have a little experience in the topics and how to make the videos. And if your answer is yes, then this last factor is what will determine if the niche is best for you. And it is competition. You see, one thing that most YouTube gurus don't tell you is that a successful faceless YouTube niche is not about virality, it's about saturation. Unless you can create better content or do something different, if the viral niche you're getting into has a lot of competition, the truth is it will be hard for your videos to take off. Take for instance, when I started this YouTube channel, I knew overall that the niche is quite competitive and I realized I must do something different. So instead of talking about random topics like Instagram growth, I decided to only focus on making content around faceless YouTube channels, and this is called niching down. I mean, I only create content just for people interested in making money on YouTube only. Doing this, my channel grew very fast, allowing me to make money on YouTube without showing my face in less than 2 months of starting the channel. And mind you, I also have another channel that has such an algorithm boost and now sitting at around 20K subs, and it's less than 2 months old. Now that you know the factors to consider while picking a niche for faceless channels, after running hundreds of niches through these factors, here are two of the best for 2024. First is the animated story niche. Here's an example channel. This channel niched down and only makes animated stories around life lessons using monks as reference. These videos are very easy to create. All you need to do is just ask ChatGPT to come up with a life lesson story for you. To get the best result, I recommend you use a transcript from one of the channel's videos as a reference text so that it can completely understand what you need. Once you have your script, you can use 11 Labs to convert it into voice, then use Leonardo AI to generate the images and then put the video together using CapCut. Second is the finance explainer niche. Here's an example channel. This channel started in September 2023 and now has over 9K subs, and of course it is monetized. This niche is just all about creating videos around financial topics like the stock market, investing, and so on using whiteboard animation. As always, you can easily use ChatGPT and 11 Labs to come up with the script and voiceover, then use software like VideoScribe to make the whiteboard animations. Remember, the key to success in these niches is consistency, quality, and engagement with your audience. Always keep learning and adapting to changes in the YouTube algorithm and viewer preferences. By applying these strategies, you can significantly increase your chances of success in the world of faceless YouTube channels in 2024. Happy creating, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my next video. Peace.